Yeah. The most important thing you should know about the syllable is what the syllables are being made. Where? Where? The syllables are being made where the sound is getting cut. The sound is getting cut. जहाँ पे sound cut हो रहा है वहां पर syllable बनने वाला है. For example, new, mo, no, ultra, micro, sco, pick, see, li, ko, bol, ke, no, ko, ni, o, sis. So this is what exactly you can have like this, the syllables. Pneumonia, ultra microscopic silicovolcanic. Getting it? Communication. Like this means what? Ultimately, you're going to make sentence. You are going to make your syllables with the sound. So as the sounds are working, the syllables are working too. So where the sounds are getting cut, the syllables will be cutting down there. Okay. So for example, now my question is there to all of you that, please pay attention all of you. My question is there to you that can a single letter come in a syllable? Mr. Zubair, Mr. Wajid, Mr. Rohit.
Yes.
Really? Can you please tell me how?
No.
Ah,
Mm,
particular.
Oh wow. Ah.
क्या मारे?
Yes, Mr. Wajid, what do you say? Rohit is saying no. Can a single letter
No,
come
sir.
in a syllable? No.
Single letter you can.
A single letter, I think. So A is a single word, right?
Correct. A is a single letter, D is a single letter, E is a single letter, H is a single letter. Can a single letter come in a syllable?
I think yes.
Mr. Zubair is saying yes.
एक मिनट मैं सर मैं बात होता
Google चालू है.
नहीं मैं देख बन सकता है सर बन सकता है.
Okay, how? Can you please give me an example?
सर मतलब अभी क्या बोलते हैं एक शब्द का वो अब क्या बोलते हैं वो चेंज हुआ तो एक सिलेबल होगा ना. आपने बताया कि अभी मैंने सिलेबल 2 में लिखा है तो आप बोले 3 में तो सी ला 2 गया ब 1 हो गया और ल मतलब उसका भी ऐड किया तो
अहो शपथ ते 3 मध्ये येते काय करताय आपण?
हा 3 मध्ये येतं तर तसं म्हणजे ते येऊ शकतं म्हणजे चेंज होतं.
सिलेबल सिंगल लेटर मध्ये आपल्याला सिलेबल मध्ये सिंगल लेटर पाहिजे. Can we have a single letter in a syllable? चलो मैं ज्यादा सताता नहीं हूँ आप लोग को. Simple. Yes, we can have a single letter in a syllable, and the letters are nothing but our vowels. Our vowels can come alone in a syllable. For example, here, alone, alone, two syllable word. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, alone. A is coming alone. Next, elaborate, elaborate, elaborate. So E
Right.
is coming alone in the syllable. See, all the syllables are containing groups of letters. Yes or no? But E is
Yes.
coming alone. Next, orange, 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 orange. Two syllable word. O is coming alone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next one, icon, icon, icon. I is coming alone. Next, unit, 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 unit. So this is what unit. आओ ते खतरनाक रोहित है का आपल्या इथं. त्यांनी दिया था ना, उन्होंने दिया था एक वर्ड दिया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने किसी ने तो भी बीच में से किसी ने तो भी दिया था वो. किसी ने कुछ ऐसा वर्ड दिया था जिसके अंदर सिंगल लेटर आने वाला है. ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा मेरे वर्ड क्या था वो. Okay, by the way, yeah, repeat.
Pay.
Okay, pay. Pay is one syllable word and containing three letters in it. Okay, so by the way, this is what exactly you can have your syllables. Okay, so geometrical, geometrical. All right, so G O O is alone. Next, Q, R, O, C, T. So Q, R, O, C, T, O is alone. Are you getting that? So a
Yes.
syllable contains a single letter as well, but the letter should be
Vowel.
vowel. Exactly. Only vowels can come alone. Only vowels can come alone. इतना हिम्मत कौन कर सकता है? Only vowels कर
Vowel.
सकते हैं ये हिम्मत ऐसा अकेले आने की, वरना बाकी लोग के अंदर इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो ऐसा अकेले आए. Okay, so only vowels can bear to come alone in a syllable. Okay, खाली vowels
Yes.
अकेले आ सकते हैं syllable के अंदर, बाकी किसी की इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है. All right, let's go for the next one, and the next heading for ours is what? Phrase. So I think we have done already phrase, right? Last time.
Yes.
Yeah, we have done phrase. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which has some meaning
Yes.
but not complete. All right, my dear friends. So now we are going to go for the next one, and that's what? Sentence. So what is a sentence? Who can tell me? The definition is there.
Sentence is nothing but complete the statement.
Okay. Actually, sentence. Now, Zubair bhai has given us very good question over here. मैं question बहुत ज़्यादा पूछता हूँ, so please have a look here. What is a sentence and what is a statement? Who can tell me the difference between them? Sentence and statement. Yes. What's the
Sentence
difference?
is
Yes, sir.
sentence is nothing but word. Statement nothing but expression something about.
Wow, wow. Sentence is nothing but the words, and statement is what? Expression, right?
Yes.
Wow. Who else can tell me this one? Very good. Nice definition, huh? Nice definition, sir. Very good. Yes. Actually, sentence is what generally we use in written English, and statement is just a spoken sentence from some personalities. That's called statement. किसी ने कुछ बोला, किसी की बोली हुई बात को हम लोग बोलेंगे statement. And now we can add there that it is what? The kind of expression. किसी के कुछ expression रहेंगे, उसने कुछ बोला है वो. And sentence is nothing but just the words, the combination of
What?
words. That's it. Sentence है, किसी ने कुछ sentence बोला, this is a bottle. इसमें कौन सी बहुत बड़ी बात है क्या?
No.
No, this is a bottle. ये सिर्फ सेंटेंस है. एंड स्टेटमेंट क्या है? किसी ने कुछ गवाही दिया, किसी ने कुछ बड़ा बोला, किसी ने कुछ अच्छा बोला, किसी ने कुछ बुरा बोला, कुछ अलग बोला है, कुछ एक्सप्रेशन के साथ में बोला है. दैट्स व्हाट अ statement.
Right.
So sentence is what? Just a written words and all. And statement means what? Expression of
Spoken.
some person. That's what spoken. That was what spoken generally. All right. So now, what is a sentence in English? A sentence is a group of words which has complete meaning. A sentence is a group of words which has complete
Meaning.
A sentence is a group of words which has complete meaning. All right. For example, come in the garden. We shall play. I'm a student. I live in Pune. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. Group of words that has complete meaning.
Meaning.
Now, please tell me, can a phrase become a sentence?
Yes,
Yes, absolutely. But how?
but it's not incomplete.
Yeah, phrase is not complete, but sentence is complete. So how can a phrase become a sentence? Do you know
With
how?
comma.
No. Do you know how? If I just
No.
put there a word,
Group of word.
not exactly. It is also the group of words. In the garden, on the table, once upon a time, in the morning, etc. But I would like to tell you one more thing, that if we put there one word, one verb, kriya जिसको बोलते हैं आप लोग, action,
Right.
fail,
Right.
correct? If you are going to put there one verb, it will become a sentence. Let's have a look here. In the garden, correct? In the garden is what? A phrase.
Right.
In the garden में phrase है. But if I say there, come in the garden, it will become sentence.
Complete
Sentence.
sentence.
Correct.
Right.
Come in the garden. For example, on the table, right? On the table is a phrase. But if I say, put
Sit
on the table,
Put on the table.
or sit on the table, it will become a sentence. Yes or no?
Yes.
Complete sentence बन गया पियो. Sit on the table मतलब टेबल पर बैठो. Complete sentence है वो. So the difference between phrase and a sentence is what? Just a verb. Phrase के अंदर verb नहीं रहता है. Verb मतलब यानी क्रिया, जैसे कि यहाँ पर है.
Right.
Come. Action है वो, आने वाला. We shall play. Play. Play is action. So this is what a sentence. A sentence is what? A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. That has complete meaning. I'm a student. I live in Pune. I'm a big data administrator. We shall play tennis. I'll come in the garden. Yes, can you please give me some sentences now? Sentences. Yes.
I go to
I
school.
have 4 years experience overall in IT.
Very good. I have 4 years experience of in IT.
I
I
go
have
to
4 years
school.
experience in IT. Yes.
I go to school.
I go to school. Okay.
I had work at Synergy in Corporation for 2 years. I had work
Good.
in Synergy Corporation for 2 years.
Very good.
I
Very
had
good.
work in Synergy Corporation for 2 years.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
I have been attending the session.
I've been attending the session. Yes.
I'm architecture student.
Correct. I'm an architecture student.
I'm in my bedroom.
I'm in my bedroom. Yes.
I'm sitting on the chair.
I'm sitting on the chair. Yes.
I'm talking with my friend.
I'm walking with my friends. Yes.
I have kept mobile in my hand.
I kept mobile in my hands. Mr. Wajid, say something. This is a bottle. It is also a sentence. I have some water. Sentence. Rohit, say something. I have 4 wives and 25 children. It is also a sentence. Zubair bhai, say something. I have 50 girlfriends. Yes, Wajid bhai, say something. I'm the king of Nanded. Say something.
Right.
I'm from Mumbai.
I'm from Mumbai. Good. Okay, where exactly are you from Mumbai, Mr. Zubair?
From Baikalla.
Baikalla. That's really great. Actually, even my hometown is Mumbai.
From where?
Oh, nice.
Kurla.
I am from Matanpura.
Oh, that's really great. Actually, my uncle is the corporator for 15 years there.
Oh,
In where? In which location?
He's in Ghatkopar, Vikhroli.
Oh, okay, nice.
Hmm.
So you also from Mumbai.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm glad to meet you. That's good. So, Mr. Rohit, where are you from?
I'm from Pune, Uruli Kanchan.
Okay. So this is your own main origin, right?
Yes, sir. From Uruli Kanchan, 9 kilometer from Uruli Kanchan.
Okay. So
Varthi.
what is that place? What is the name of the place?
Varthi.
Vadati. So, and what is the district you put there? Pune only?
Yes, sir. Pune.
Okay.
Uruli Kanchan is 30 kilometers from Pune main
Okay.
city.
And
Yes,
that's
and now I'm living in Uruli Kanchan.
Okay. So now you're living in Ulliganj. That day you said that you're living at station, Pune station.
Pardon?
That day you said that you are living on Pune station. In the, what do we say? In official conversation, you said that. Are you
कैसे ऐसी था
नहीं समझे नहीं.
That day when Mr. Wajid asked you where is your residence, you said Pune station.
Yeah, I heard.
Uruli Kanchan railway station बोला.
Okay, Urli Kanchan railway station.
Yeah.
I think we were heard about
Pune station. I also thought that you're living in Pune station. Okay.
No. Uruli Kanchan railway station और पुणे सिंहगढ़ रोड उधर में रूम लेके रहता था.
भाई कहाँ है अपन? That's good. That's good. So you are just, you're coming to Pune, right? Every now and then.
Yes,
That's really good.
yes, sir.
That Mr. Abdul Wajid also used to live in Pune, but now he has been to, what do we say? Nanded.
Bhawanipet.
Yeah, Bhawanipet. He used to live there in
Native
Bhawanipet.
place is Nanded,
Correct,
but I am
correct.
staying at Pune.
Yeah, right. Where is Sheikh? Is he coming to Pune or is he staying?
Sheikh is also here
Okay, okay, okay.
in Nanded.
Okay, by the way, where do you live? Nearby the Sheikh or what?
There about 1 kilometer distance. My
Okay,
home to
okay.
Sheikh home.
Only.
Yes, only 1 kilometer.
That's really great. What is he doing now?
बहुत टाइम से मिले नहीं है मुलाकात
Okay,
नहीं हो रही है.
okay. He's a good man.
Hmm.
Good. All right. So this is what a sentence, my dear. Okay. A sentence is a group of words that has that has complete meaning. All right. For example, I'm Indian. I'm from Pune. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. My favorite color is cyan. My charger is not working. I put my laptop on the desk. I'm a student. I go to London every now and then. Paris is my favorite city. Pune is my hometown. So you can say anything like this. Okay. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. By the way, today I'm going to talk to you something great. Okay. So last but not the least heading is remaining, and that's what clause in English. Last but not the least. Okay. Last but not the least. And the heading is what? Clause. So what is a clause?
Clause is nothing but terms and conditions.
Very good. I would like to suggest you something, Mr. Zubair. And the suggestion for not only for Mr. Zubair, it is for everyone that always remember, do not give this answer. Do not define anything like this, that it is nothing. मतलब आप उसका डायरेक्ट कचरा कर दे रहे. Clause is nothing.
Actually, no. I learn from corporate level.
Yeah.
They have been using these kinds of word in this.
Yeah. Exactly. I do agree with you, sir. I do agree with you. I agree with you. Because when I was just pursuing Hadoop at that time, many of the people were there. They were from corporate world, and they used to use such term over there. So it
Yeah,
is
right.
nothing. Yarn is nothing but this. HI Hive Impala is nothing but this. Cluster is
Right.
nothing but this. Edge
Right.
node is nothing but this. So they used to use like this. But remember, आप literally सामने वाले का उसका आंसर ही कचरा कर दे रहे हैं आप. वो कुछ भी नहीं है बल्कि ये है.
Right.
Okay, that's really good. So clause. What is a clause in English? When two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. अब clause होता क्या English के अंदर? When two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. अब clause किसको बोलते हैं English में हम लोग? जब दो sentences मिलकर साथ में मिलते हैं एक conjunction के साथ में, तो हम उसको पूरे को बोलते हैं clause. Okay? When two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. For example, I'll give you an example. Two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. What is conjunction? Basic conjunctions in English are like, for example, and, but, because, when, so, before, after. All these are what? Conjunctions. So what is a conjunction in English? It is a connecting word. It is a connecting
middle of both
word.
sentence.
Correct. We use conjunction to connect two sentences. We use conjunctions to connect two words. We use conjunctions to connect two paragraphs as well. So generally we don't use for paragraphs, but sometimes informally poets they use it. So I would like to tell you that conjunctions are used to connect two sentences. Conjunctions are used to connect two words together. Okay.
Right.
So what is a clause now? Clause, when two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. Now sentence number one, come in the garden. Sentence number one, yes or no?
Right.
We shall play. Sentence number two.
Yeah, right.
Now two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, and the conjunction is what? And. So by this and, the sentence is becoming something like this. Come in the garden and we shall play. The whole thing is called clause.
Clause.
Are you getting that? Means what? Come in the garden, sentence number one. We shall play, sentence number two. Two sentences are being joined by a conjunction. And what is that conjunction? And.
And. Right.
And is a conjunction. So now the whole thing will call clause.
Clause.
Okay. So when two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. For example, I went to the station. Sentence number 1. But conjunction वो जोड़ने वाला है. But the train had departed. Train जा चुकी थी. Sentence number 2. So 2 sentences are being joined by a
But
conjunction.
conjunction.
That but is there the conjunction, and the whole thing is called clause.
Clause.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So I went to the station, but the train had departed. Next, if you reach there, so please call me. If you reach there, so please call me. So if you reach there, sentence number 1. Please call me. Sentence number 2. And so is what?
Conjunction.
Conjunction. So when two sentences are being joined by a conjunction, it becomes a clause. Next one, mail me. Sentence number 1. When you reach the office. Sentence number 2. So mail me when you reach the office. So mail me. Sentence number 1. You reach the office. Sentence number 2. And when is the conjunction? Okay. Mail me when you reach the office. Mail me when you reach the office. Any doubts to anyone?
No.
Can you please give me some clauses?
Come in the meeting, we'll discuss.
Correct. Come in the meeting and we'll discuss.
And we'll discuss.
Correct. What are the conjunctions in English? And, but, when, because.
However.
Very good. However, after, next,
Ha-
before,
hence.
if, next, hence,
or
Whatever.
or. Very good. No, whatever is not exactly.
also
Also भी है. Also भी है. Chalo. Can you please give me some sentences like this with these conjunctions?
I like tea and coffee.
Correct. I like tea and coffee. Now Mr. Wajid is connecting 2 words together. Tea and coffee. Good.
I will play football and meet the friends.
I will play football and meet friends. Yes.
Please send me job description when you're free.
Very good.
Please call me once you free.
Very good. Yes.
I gave good paper. That's also I failed.
Ah. I attended good exam, but still I got failed. Nice complaining, eh?
Switch on the fan once you free.
Very good. Light चालू करो. Light चालू करो. Good. Yeah, continue please.
I like tea.
Right.
Okay.
बोलो कुंजीर.
Yeah.
I like coffee than tea.
I like coffee than tea. Very good.
Bolo.
Yeah. Please continue.
Right now I'm busy because of I have a lot of work.
Very good. Right now I'm busy because I have a lot of work. Yes.
I need to complete work and back to home.
Very good. I need to complete the work and back to home. And go back to home. Anyone else? Anything else? Anything else with it? Yes.
And
Give me some good sentences. For example, please call me after finishing your work.
right. Please call me before you reach at
Correct.
home.
Please call me before you reach home.
Please call me post 4 p.m. Either call me tomorrow.
Very good. Please call me post 4 p.m. or call me tomorrow. Either
If you
call me
call-
tomorrow.
If you call me, then I will call back.
Very good. If you call me, then I'll call back.
Rohit and Kaustubh are absent.
Very good. Yes. Anything else?
And
Anything else to anyone?
I have submitted sheets and drawings.
Very good. I have submitted sheets and drawings. Yes, because if I
I
will
don't
certify.
have I don't have
I
money.
like
hence,
swimming.
Okay. Chalo. I like swimming.
I like swimming even in winter.
Okay. I like swimming even in winter. Nice.
I don't have money, hence I'm not able to go to office.
Good. Very good. All right. So here we finished with our first chapter, and that's what basic grammar. Okay. Now, just let me stop it.